This video is to show you how to make a geofilter mockup. So a mockup is anytime you create a design that's going to be used in another situation. So for example, with Snapchat, you don't know what photo is going to be behind it, but it's kind of nice to see it, how it would look over top of a photo such as this. And I'm requiring one for your portfolio. So to do that, you have your design already made. You need to bring a photo in. You don't need to find a photo that's the exact size of your phone screen. You can look online for any photo. You can place one that you already have. You can take one off your phone or your drive. If you do go ahead and look online, you might want to consider the resolution of the photo. So the smaller numbers are going to be more pixelated as you increase them. So try to find one that's decent in size. You're going to just right click and copy image. Go back to Illustrator and Control V to paste. So you can see it comes in kind of small. But that's okay. For the purposes of this, it doesn't matter if it gets a little pixelated. You're going to stretch it. Now, of course, it's the wrong direction, right? It's rectangle, and the Snapchat is vertical, but that's okay. Make sure you stretch it so it fills the white space. You're going to right-click, Arrange, and Send to Back so you can see your design on top. So feel free to move the photo to whatever area you like, so you kind of get the effect that you want as long as there's no white space showing. And then you're going to File, Export, Export As. This time you're going to choose JPG. You're going to use artboards. You're going to again click Range and select 2 so that it is just your design that's being saved, and then you export. If you're putting in the portfolio and you think it looks kind of bad, you can increase the resolution, but I think it's fine to just click through, and I already had one, so that's what you do to save a mockup.